If you are thinking about taking the AWS Cloud Practitioner CLF-C02 exam training specialization, but you are not sure whether it actually prepares you for real cloud job environments, or only helps you understand exam concepts, this video will help you decide clearly before you commit your time. These skills are commonly used in cloud support teams, infrastructure environments, application hosting workflows, and cloud operations tasks across modern workplaces. In this video, I'll explain what skills you learn, who this certificate is for, how it supports careers, and how this learning resource can make you pass your exam. First, try the course we are discussing. Today is the AWS Cloud Practitioner CLF-C02 Exam Training Specialization Avenue, available on Coursera. Delivered by Pact, and it is designed to help learners build foundational AWS cloud skills used inside real organizations. After completing this specialization, you will be able to work with core AWS services such as EC2, compute environments, S3, storage systems, IOA-M permission controls, and VPC networking used in real cloud infrastructure setups. These abilities appear directly in real jobs where teams deploy resources, manage permissions, monitor environments, and support applications running inside AWS platforms. One important question many learners ask is whether this certificate is enough to start a career pathway or whether it works better as a supporting specialization. I will suggest that this learning resource for it will help you pass your exam first try. Career pathways supported by this course include FE Cloud Support Associate, FE Cloud Operations Assistant, FE Junior Cloud Administrator, FE Entry-Level Cloud Engineer. After completing this certificate, you will be able to FE understand core AWS services used inside cloud environments, FE configure compute and storage resources in AWS platforms, FE manage permissions using IAM access controls, FE understand networking concepts inside virtual cloud environments. In a moment, I'll explain who benefits the most from this certificate and whether beginners should start with it first. This program focuses specifically on foundational AWS cloud infrastructure knowledge, rather than deeper cloud architecture specialization pathways. Structured learning like this is usually more effective than relying on scattered tutorials, because workplace skills depend on understanding how tools connect together rather than learning them separately. This specialization is a strong choice. Pathway. It supports professionals moving toward cloud roles and learners preparing for the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner certification. It may not be ideal for learners already working in advanced cloud architecture or DevOps engineering environments. The expected career impact of this specialization is strongest at the entry-level stage, where organizations look for familiarity with AWS services, identity management, storage environments, and networking concepts. You do not need prior AWS experience before starting this specialization, and most learners usually spend around 10 hours per week completing the modules depending on their pace. Learning with this certificate is especially useful for learners preparing to move toward entry-level cloud support and cloud administrator roles by making you pass your exam first try. You can find the official link in the description if you want to explore the full syllabus, learning schedule, and certification details before enrolling. Take care and subscribe to keep learning.